Hey guys, how's it going? So this is just a quick little, it's going to be a little slideshow with the voiceover, just showing you different tests of different nail polishes using the Konad stamps. And I've got some on my fingers right now. Yeah, you probably can't even see, but yeah, so it's pretty straightforward, and I'll have all the images labeled and listed with what nail polishes I used and things like that, so you can kind of compare. But this is just kind of showing my whole point of that it's not really about which brand you use if you're using a non-Konad special polish to stamp with, but it's more about the individual polish and its own pigmentation and finish. So hope you guys find this helpful, and yeah, I will see you in my next video.
So this first image is just showing the difference between the Konad full image nail plates and the Bundle Monster ones. The Bundle Monster image plates are significantly smaller because you can see that there's that huge gap that it just didn't cover on my nail, whereas the Konad one is both wider and taller. So I'm going to do a full review on the Bundle Monster image plates later once I've had a little more time to use them, but they're okay and they're still really great for the price so far. So we'll see. This image is showing comparison of purples. The first one is the Konad purple, and the one below it it's a slightly shimmery dark purple by OPI called OPI Ink, and because I put it on top of a white polish, they both still show up pretty well, but you can see that the Konad one is a lot better, but the purple, the OPI one, definitely still is visible. And any little mistakes that are made on the stamping in any of these images is not really the nail polish's fault, it's me because I was being lazy and kind of just trying to do this quick, so ignore any of those little mistakes. This one is comparing greens, and the top one is Sally Hansen Green with Envy. This is part of the Extreme Wear line, and this one kind of turned out the best. I don't have a Konad one to compare it to, just because I never got that one. The one in the middle that you can barely see is OPI's Gargantuan Green Grape. And I don't have a lot of greens, again, to compare to, and I tried to use, for these ones they're all creams, so that it's more of a standard comparison versus comparing a shimmer and a glitter and a cream and things like that. And yeah, the Gargantuan Green Grape, even if you've applied it to your nails ever, you know that it's not very opaque, and this is what happens, like you can barely see it. And the bottom one is a cream, it's by China Glaze Refreshment. Again, it's kind of a pale pastel-y green, and it's really not that visible even on a white background. The top one here is the yellow Konad Special Polish, which is clearly the most vibrant out of all the yellows. The one on the right is China Glaze Lemon Fizz, which is a pale creamy yellow also, and the one on the left is OPI's Need Sunglasses, which is a brighter yellow, but not quite as creamy. So this one probably shows up the least because it has the least white in the color, because the white will obviously make it a little more pigmented and more visible on a light colored background. This one here has the Konad Blue Special Polish on a dark background, and comparing to Sally Hansen's Blew Me Away, you can see the huge difference here. Had I done this on a white background, I think there wouldn't be as big of a deal. It would kind of be similar to how the purple comparison turned out. The blue would be a lot more visible. The regular blue would be a lot more visible, but again, the Konad Special Polishes are definitely far more vibrant and opaque, but it's doable if you do it on a lighter color background with a non-Konad Special Polish. And again, showing the same thing but with pink, we've got the Konad Pink on the top and an OPI Pink called That's Hot Pink on the bottom right. And again, on a dark background, the Konad polishes really pop out. That's why I got these lighter Konad polishes, because in case I want to do them on a dark background, I can. But if I want to do it just on a light colored background or no color on my nail and just stamp a pink, it will be a little more visible, but not amazingly so. And this last one is just showing metallics. I don't own any Konad Special metallic like silver or gold polishes, so these are just some of the ones that I have. The top one is a gold by China Glaze. It's called Passion, which worked out really well. And the second one is also a nice silver. It's by Sally Hansen, Silver Stiletto. These two definitely worked out the best because they had the least sort of micro glitters in them. It was more of a chrome-ish sort of finish. Whereas the bottom two, LA Colors Metallic Blue and Sally Hansen Celeb City, definitely have more of a foiling sort of micro glittery finish to it, and those ones didn't turn out as well and as solid as the top two just because of the finish. Even though metallics generally are really great, even on dark colors, as you can see here, the ones with fewer glitters are actually better. So I hope you guys, I hope this video helped some of you guys to see what polishes are better than others, when you should use Konad polishes. And again, I'm going to do a full review on the Bundle Monster image plates. So just keep a lookout for that. I'm not sure when I will do that, but yeah, so thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.